Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys a new cool paper airplane which I designed recently. This paper airplane is very easy to make and it flies very well indoor, but outdoor, it doesn't fly well at all. Anyways, I will show you guys how the plane flies and I'll let you decide whether you want a tutorial or you want to make it. If you really want to make this paper plane, let's make 1,000 likes for this plane, for this video, and I will create a tutorial. By the way, I do not have a name for this paper airplane yet, so I really need you to help me name the paper airplane. So let me know what's the best name for this paper plane, and I will choose the best name for it and I'll credit you in the description. So let's take a look at how this paper plane flies, and thank you for watching. I hope you guys will make it 1,000 likes. Oh well, when I have 1,000 likes for this paper plane, I will create a tutorial. If I don't have 1,000 likes for this video, that means not enough people like the paper airplane, so I will hold it back. So finally, thank you for watching and see you next time.